Welcome to the latest edition of Obesity Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. Pfizer secured to China rights to Ecnoglutide from Skywind Biosciences in a late February deal valued at up to $495 million. China approved Ecnoglutide for chronic weight management in adults with overweight or obesity, adding Pfizer to a market led by Novo Nordisk, Eli Lilly, and several local developers. Skywind Biosciences highlighted differentiation claims for Ecnoglutide, describing the therapy as a cyclic adenosine monophosphate-biased GLP-1 receptor agonist for chronic weight management in Chinese adults. The company reported placebo-adjusted weight loss of 15.1% and said 92.8% of patients achieved clinically meaningful weight loss, though full trial details were not specified in the cited source. Aspen Pharmacare said it expects regulatory feedback that could support registration of an unbranded semaglutide product in Canada between May and September 2026. Following the January expiry of the semaglutide diabetes patent in the country. Aspen plans to supply the market using manufacturing capacity in South Africa and France. The Pan American Health Organization called for stronger pharmacovigilance across the Americas after citing reports of adverse events, off-label or unsupervised use, and risks linked to falsified or unauthorized GLP-1 products circulating through informal channels. The organization urged countries to reinforce oversight and ensure these medicines are used only for approved indications. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration issued a warning letter to Novo Nordisk following an inspection related to post-marketing adverse drug experience reporting procedures. The agency said certain semaglutide-related adverse events, including deaths and reports of suicidal ideation, were not reported under required processes, while noting that the letter did not conclude the medicines caused those events. Ascletis Pharma reported positive top-line results from a 24-week randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled U.S. Phase 2 study, evaluating its once-monthly ASC30 depot formulation for obesity. The trial enrolled 65 participants with obesity or overweight, plus at least one weight-related comorbidity. The company said formulation A1 met the primary endpoint with placebo-adjusted mean weight loss of 6.3% at week 12 and 7.5% at week 16. Eli Lilly announced plans to invest $3 billion in China over the next decade to expand local manufacturing capacity and strengthen supply systems for oral solid dosage medicines. The company also said it submitted the oral non-peptide GLP-1 agonist orforglipron for marketing review in China at the end of 2025. Biomea Fusion presented 52-week follow-up results from its randomized, placebo-controlled Phase 2 Covalent 111 study, evaluating icovamenib in type 2 diabetes. The company reported durable HbA1c reductions at week 52 in pre-specified subgroups, including severe insulin-deficient diabetes and patients already receiving GLP-1-based therapy with no treatment-related serious adverse events reported. Stay ahead in obesity research, like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com